We're off for another journey.
Sometimes 12 hours is all it takes to remember who you are. We're off to another journey. My favorite Emirates and the $250 extra legroom seat. Is it worth it? We're gonna find out in this vlog as we head to Dubai for a layover and then Sri Lanka. Stay tuned and hope you enjoy.
Good morning. How are you, buddy? Good. How are you? Good. Thank you very much for the swag.
Guys, I know not everyone would spend so much money, but it's a long 11-hour flight from Perth to Dubai. The extra legroom seat is $250. Is it worth it? Drop a comment and let me know. These are the amenities we get from Emirates and a lovely menu. Looks like it's going to be a lovely flight. After a while, it's time for breakfast. It's around 7 o'clock. It's some eggs, sausages, hash brown, and an orange juice. Perfect. And there's heaps of snacks at the back of the flight for you to indulge. And I always like walking around to get my legs stretched. As you know, I'm 6'2", I'm a big bloke, so I do need some extra stretching to be done. So after a quick walk exploring what are my options for this long flight, I'm gonna have a nut bar to start up, and then I brought a Galaxy from the back. It's a lovely chocolate if you've not tried it, and crackers. You can't go wrong with that. And yeah, glass of water to wash it down. So we're halfway there. It's time to just relax, watch a movie, and kill some time. What's your tips, guys? What do you do with long flights? Drop a comment, let me know. I watch a lot of movies. I snack a lot because I don't really sleep on flights. I do have power naps, but that's pretty much it. But let me know what you guys can do. I'll be really curious.
Round two of some snacks. Can't sleep, so halfway now.
And as time passes, and it's lunch. There's some rice and a curry, some salad, and a lovely dessert. Watched the movie, powered through it. As we're now almost in Dubai, we're gonna arrive around I think 11, 12 o'clock midday. So yeah, it's based on that. But again, it's almost evening for me with my body clock in Perth. So yeah, I am really exhausted. But the meal was really good. Emirates, as always, have kept their standard really high with their meals. Let me know what do you guys think? Do you think Emirates have dropped their quality of food or anything? I did see a lot of changes in the last decade. I've been flying Emirates as a kid with my parents, as I lived in Dubai and then moved to Australia, obviously. So yeah, I'm back flying with Emirates after a long time. So far, so good. We'll see how we go. Finally, touchdown in Dubai after 11 hours. Left bed 5 in the morning, so I'm really exhausted. But this is not just gonna be a normal layover. We gotta catch up with two of my childhood mates from Dubai. But before that, let me give you some tips when you land in Dubai.
Once you get out of the lifts, you got smart gates, you got immigration, and then you got the Maraba service and the visa for Dubai, etc. So you have to pick where you need to head off to. Once you finish smart immigration, you can head for your luggage. You know which kind you're picking up your bags and your flight already.
So I booked an accommodation called Premier Inn near the airport. Honestly, it's a perfect location because it's really central to close to T3 airport if you are landing and taking off from there. And there is a bus terminal which takes you for free to your hotel. So take note. So finally we've reached the hotel. I'm really exhausted. The hotel check-in is really smooth. The lobby area is beautiful. It has a rooftop pool which I'm going to show you guys in a while. Definitely really worth it. It cost me I think 109 Australian dollars, which is really reasonable for Dubai standards if you've ever visited Dubai. And as I already have stated before, it's really central. So after a bit of struggle, I finally get in. Spacious room, you got a coffee table, a lovely bed, a clean bathroom. Can't ask for anything better.
Oh, hello from Dubai. I've just woken up. I'm really exhausted, but as you know, I never sleep. Hashtag don't sleep when you're traveling. Go hard, go home. I've just had a nap around 2.5 hours. I came into my room about 2 o'clock, checked in, just smashed on the bed, had a nice fresh shower now. Heading off, it's around 5:30. Gonna go to Dubai Creek first, and then have a quick explore, and then we'll end up hopefully near Burj Khalifa before we come back to the hotel. Let's see. Hope you're enjoying this 13 and a half stopover in Dubai, and I'll give you a few tips and tricks. But this hotel is lovely, premium inn. I'm going to leave all the details in the description.
So let's take you for a quick tour. That's T3 just front of us. It's not as close as it looks. This is the beautiful reception. If you're a coffee lover, there's a Starbucks kind of place called Coffee Day. There's a reception, there's a self-check-in option if you like that. And also there is a Thai restaurant and a lovely pub if you want to grab a steak and some beverages.
When you got a swimming pool at your airport accommodation, which is really disappointing, and then you got a view like this, but you can't really use it because your stopover is so short. Man, I'm loving this place. $150. This hotel is really underrated. You can get a lovely view of Burj Khalifa, a nice clear view, and like old Dubai with all the villas. And then the airport is on your right. How good is that? It's just perfect. Premier Inn, guys. Definitely make a note of this place. Definitely worth the money. And of course, they have a gym in the hotel. The best part, unfortunately, I don't think I can use even this one. But I'm gonna try. Smash a 30-minute session in. So let's see if that happens. You will see if it happens.
So we're heading to Dubai Creek, a really close place, around 10 k's from my accommodation. And let's see, hopefully we get there because the traffic looks bad.
1 hour later, still stuck in the traffic. Oh my god, 10k is almost an hour.
So we finally got there, but guys, when they say Habibi, come to Dubai, all the Habibis are in Dubai now. Anyways guys, I didn't want to go far, so I just thought just come back, walk around Dubai Creek, a good way to reset after a long flight.
So that's Dubai Creek Harbour. Finally got here after a good an hour stuck in the traffic and construction. But it is quite beautiful. It's really calm, and got a beautiful view of Burj Khalifa just down there. Yeah, really nice to come down and really get away from the hustle and bustle. Yeah, definitely worth visiting, but yeah, just plan the traffic, etc. Stop. So yeah, it's nice. Got stuck for a while, but now yeah, gonna walk around here and then get some food.
So it's finally time to catch up with John. This hits different, catching up with John after 10 years, same guy, same laughs, same old times.
Say hi. Enjoyed my stopover for 13 hours. Got up with some lovely friends. Your school friends just hit you different, you know. And now time for Sri Lanka. Let's go, guys.